Judging by the thumbnail, you're here to make more money online or in general in 2025. First of all, you want to learn sales as a skill. This could be real estate, car sales, high ticket, or door knocking in general. Why do I say this? Because this is going to build your confidence. This is going to teach you how to communicate with people and how to sell products and sell yourself in general. Next is creating and producing content. You could learn how to edit, film, become a drone pilot, or even make short or long form content. This will then generate as a skill and you can then use it to sell to other people. So out of all the tips I'm going to give you, this is probably the best one out of them all. You need to start a business. This could be reselling things online, e-commerce, this could be an online PT, this could also creating your own social media agency. Whatever the skills that you have, start a business out of it. This could become your side hustle at the beginning, and then from there it could move on into being a business. The reason why I mention this is because you are going to maximize your time and efforts, and you're going to be the one that gets the most amount of money for that time. This is a skill in itself. You need to learn to invest. What does this mean? You need to basically learn how to save 10% of everything you earn every month. As Richest Man in Babylon teaches, if you have 10 coins, you need to save 1 coin every month. This will basically teach you how to save, invest in yourself, and then you will find places to put this money, ranging from emergency funds, vaults, 3 to 6 months worth of bills, or any other form of investments like stocks, ETFs. Right, and the last one of them all is you've got to invest in yourself, ranging from skills, equipment, courses, studying, and reading. These are all things that are going to benefit you in the long term. And on top of it, I'm going to throw some advice in there. You need to stop being so lazy. You know that you're going to have to work, enjoy the journey along the way, even get another job if you have to. If this means throwing in some extra hours to make some extra money, it's what you're going to have to do. I hope this advice has helped you. I know it's not a step-by-step plan on how to run a business or how to do these things, but it was probably what you needed to hear at the end of the day. It's going to take work, it's going to take effort, it's going to take learning how to do skills. Feel free to follow me on my Instagram. If you need me, DM me, and if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Yes!